makaayo dapat gusto. Ready na ba mo? Okay, so before we start, ato sang i-welcome mga tuang mga judges. Our first judge, Miss Marca May Dixon. Ay, palakpakan ko ditong judges. Yan. Next judge is Jocelyn Arisgado. And our third judge, Raniel Arisgado. Okay. Alright, so welcome to our Matsugay 2024. Alright, so before mag-start, basahon sa nato ang criteria for judging. Right? So for the introduction, and they are going to wear beach attire, 40%, talent, 40%, formal attire, 20%, and total of 100%. Alright, so, dili na pa magdugan. As our welcome, our Matsugay candidates! Contestant number 1!
Good evening, everyone. My name is DJ Arisgado.
Yes. At sa gabi, anong pangalan mo?
Jiba!
Sa gabi, anong pangalan mo sa gabi?
Evelyn.
Alright, now let us all welcome contestant number 2. Anong pangalan mo sa gabi? Norma. Palakpakan, contestant number 3. Alright. Ready na ba kayo? Let me call on contestant number 4.
Magandang gabi sa inyo. Ako nga pala si Marlon Arisgado, pero ngayong gabi, si Maria Elena. May kasabihan, pangit man ako, pinanganak kong pangit, mas pangit ang nasa harapan ko. Thank you.
Wow, thank you so much, contestant number 4. Now, let's have contestant number 5.
Murang tagsibibitsin na din. Okay, pagkakasabya.
Ayaw mo na lang sa kunyan.
Ay, mayroon sa mga judges o sa mga audience. Ako dahil magpailang si Lloyd sa adlaw. Pero sa gabi, si Rosita. Pero, naway tiro. Sa pagkaunto,
Uy, abunda!
may kasabihan nga tayo na tayo ay umalis. Itlog ang dala. Pag-uwi sa bahay, itlog pa rin ang dala. Thank you.
Wow, thank you so much, contestant number 5. Now, let's have contestant number 6.
Magandang gabi sa inyong lahat. Ako nga pala si Mercury Escado. Listeners of Murder. Do you want us? Yeah, thank you. Merry Christmas.
Wow! And now, the last but not the least, contestant number 7.
Magandang gabi sa inyong lahat. Ako nga pala si Mark Joseph sa umaga at Mark Joseph sa umaga. Ay, magandang Naniwala ako sa kasabihan na ang buhay parang gulong. Minsan nasa itaas, minsan sa ibaba, minsan sa organization.
Alright, thank you so much, contestant number 7. Alright, so nag-enjoy ba kayo sa kanilang production number? Hindi pa yon production number. Gusto niyo ba silang makita sumayaw? Alright, so operator. Alright, let us all welcome again our contestants. Sige na, go! Alright, so tinatawagan ko si Hannelyn Arisgado at saka si Princess Jillian Salungay para sa kanilang intermission number.
Di ko updated.
Wala pa. Ano may ganun bro? Palakpakan! Extra large budget. Alright, next can see contestant number 3, si Raylana. Contestant number 5.
Pag-ibig ko sa'yo'y
wow, wala ka naman dyan!
Langit ang puso ko sa'yo. Basta labi ko, nauuhaw sa iyong sinta. Nananaginip ng gising, nagkatulala sa akin. Nagsusulit ang dami, kahit halik na natin. Napapaliw ako sa'yo, bawat sinuko ng puso ko. Nagsusulit sa'yo ako. Nauuhaw sa iyong sinta. Nananaginip ng gising, nagkatulala sa akin. Nagsusulit ang dami, kahit halik na natin. Sa'yo, bawat sinupon puso ko. Isang sulit na
Wow, thank you so much, contestant number 5. Gusto mo na sige ni Bunay. Now, let us all welcome our contestant number 6. A round of applause, please. Thank you so much, contestant number 6 and contestant number 7. A round of applause.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll